how to use Visa card on Amazon. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use Visa card on Amazon. So first you have to log into your Amazon account at www.amazon.com. And then after that, what you're going to do next is go to accounts and then click your account. Select payment options and then click on add a credit or debit card. Enter your Visa card details like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Click add your card to save the Visa card to your account. Now basically, if you add a Visa card right here, it's the same thing as adding a debit or credit card. So what you're going to do is you just have to click this and then add the number, okay, the card number, name on the card, expiration date, and then security code, CVV or CVC, and then click add to card. You can also go to this area right here and then link your card. But basically, this is how easy it is to add your Visa card. Now, if you want to make purchase, so once the Visa card is added to your Amazon account, you can use it for purchases like add the desired items to your cart, check out, and select the Visa card as your payment method. And if the total cost exceeds the gift card balance, you can split the payment between the gift card and another payment method, such as credit card or Amazon balance. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.